This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Thursday, December 5th. I am not sure if the market was open today. It really was a snooze fest. If size matters, no one got any action today. It was horrific. I'm talking holiday, lower than holiday. If you look at the week average volume so far, if you look at the year, I'll post a chart. You'll see the 30-day average daily volume on the SPY. We're at about 43 million average per day shares traded. Today, we barely got above 20 million. It's like everyone is just gone. Everyone went to Mars. So I'm just going to have fun with it. I'm going to post Barbie and Ken, not from their respective movie, but probably their best work, gifts. Ladies first. Does size matter? There's a fun poll just for bleep and giggles. Let's pull back the onion or peel the onion here and walk through breadth. We had 849 new highs versus 200 new lows. 34% of shares were advancing versus 62% declining. 38% of stocks were below their 50-day and 33% were below their 200-day. The Russell led the way to the downside at the end of the session. We sold off, closing near the lows across the board on all indices. So the Dow last minute closed down 248 points. The NASDAQ was down 34 points. The S&P was down 11 points. But this is all on no volume. So it's a nothing burger in my book. Microsoft was up 1.1%, Amazon 1.1%, Tesla 3.2%, the strongest of the Mag 7. The rest were all red, or I should say barely red. You had Apple up 0.01%, Nvidia up 0.06%, Google was down 1%, Meta was down 0.7%. It really was a nothing burger type day. Looking at the one-day sector performance, you had consumer cyclical up 0.5%, consumer defensive up 0.5%, energy up 0.5%, financials up 0.36%, utilities 0.3%, and all of the other sectors were red. So leading to the downside was healthcare down almost 1%, basic materials down 0.9%, industrials down 0.8%, communication services down 0.4%. Now, I do want to highlight here the one-year performance or year-to-date performance, because we're coming to the end of the year. Technology is up 38%. Communication services up 33%. Financials are up 31%. And folks are trying to clamor about a Santa Claus rally. Are you kidding? We've already had the Santa Claus rally all year. You better pray that no black swan comes up in the next 2 weeks. We only have like 17 trading sessions left to go in the year. I have a bad gut feeling here. It's priced to perfection right now. So let's keep peeling this onion. What was strong in the S&P? Brown-Forman up 10.6%. Tesla, I already mentioned, 3.2%. United Airlines, 3.2%. Moderna, 3.1%. Palantir, 2.8%. Hormel Foods, 2.7%. Delta Airlines, 2.3%. 3M, 2.2%. Merck, 2.1%. Kinder Morgan, 2.1%. Chipotle, 2%. Trust Financials, 2%. Southwest Airlines, 2%. And the NASDAQ, Tesla already talked about. Moderna, up 3%. Gilead, up almost 2%. What was weak in the S&P? Long list, not a good sign. Synopsys, 12.3%. Uber, 9.6%. Cadence, 6.3%. Ball Corporation, 5.7%. MCHP, 5.5%. Fiserv 5.4, GE down 5.3, Intel down 5.2, United Health 5.2, Applied Materials 5.04, Ansys 4.7, Dayforce 4.3. I'm going to skip over to the NASDAQ. Synopsys already covered. Cadence 6.3. I'm trying to dedupe here. Marvell down 4.05. Lam Research 3.9. Old Dominion Freight 3.8. Team 3.7. KLAC Corp 3.5. CoStar Group 3.4. Roper Industries 3.1. Dexcom 2.5. NXP Semiconductors 2.5. ARM Holdings 2.3. Workday 2.2, Trade Desk 2.2, Micron 2.2, MongoDB 2, Airbnb 1.9, CSX 1.9, Texas Instruments 1.8, so AMD 1.8. There was a lot red too. I think it was a sneaky sell-off on low volume. Free members, I will see you all on the Friday session. Continue to focus on the forest, not the trees. Premium members, please stay on. I have some charts to walk through today. That's my train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.